How to answer quiz assignment or exam in the Google Classroom. Open Google Classroom. Refresh or reload the class. Press the assignment. Press the Google Forms or attachment. It will automatically open Google Chrome or your browser. Make sure you have successfully logged into your institutional email and press Next to proceed. Answer the quiz and press Submit if you are done. Press Open Assignment button or close the browser. Press the arrow up to view more detail about your submission status. After you click the Submit button, the status of your classwork will automatically display as turned in. You have successfully answered your assignment. Your teacher will be automatically notified. Thank you for watching.